What is cost of goods sold, COGS, in supply chain management? Imagine trying to figure out how much money your business makes after paying for everything needed to produce your products. That's where the cost of goods sold, or COGS, comes into play. It is the total cost directly tied to making or buying the products you sell during a specific period. In supply chain management, COGS includes expenses like raw materials, direct labor involved in production, and manufacturing overhead that is directly related to preparing the product for sale. It does not include general business costs like rent, advertising, or office salaries. Understanding COGS is essential because it shows how efficiently your supply chain is working. If COGS is high, it might mean sourcing raw materials is expensive or production costs are too high. If it's low, your supply chain is likely more cost-effective. COGS impacts your gross profit, which is the money left after subtracting COGS from your revenue. This, in turn, influences your pricing strategies and inventory decisions. From a supply chain point of view, managing COGS helps identify what drives costs in your process. For example, sourcing raw materials from different suppliers or choosing faster transportation methods can change your costs. By analyzing COGS, supply chain managers can decide whether to switch suppliers, change production schedules, or adjust inventory levels to save money. COGS is usually reported on the income statement right below revenue. Sometimes it is called cost of sales or cost of products sold. It is a key performance indicator because it helps compare your company's cost structure with competitors. It also shows how supply chain choices affect your financial results. Controlling COGS involves several practical steps. First, sourcing raw materials at competitive prices helps reduce costs. Second, streamlining manufacturing processes cuts waste and labor expenses. Third, managing inventory carefully prevents excess stock and obsolescence. Fourth, optimizing transportation reduces inbound and outbound shipping costs. Focusing on COGS allows supply chain managers to align operations with financial goals. It helps ensure that the supply chain contributes positively to profitability and keeps the company competitive. Monitoring and reducing COGS can lead to better pricing, higher margins, and stronger overall performance.